Happy snow day, everyone. Just gonna fill up those bird feeders. You can probably hear the chickadees zipping around. It's so snowy. I have to use my snowshoes. You'd be jealous. It's an adventure, you know. Gosh, there's so much snow. Look it. I'm at the roof of the canoe house. Wow. That's a lot of snow. All right. So, it's a pretty nice day aside from the amount of snow. The temperatures are good. So, I don't know. Let's see what I'll do on the feeder. So, today the issue really isn't the temperatures. It's pretty comfortable for the birds. The issue today is just that all their food is covered in snow. So, I'm just going to clear out some feeders. Oh, hello, chickadee. Actually, you can probably hear them. I think this is the same as every other video I make. I'm just filling feeders and hiding under trees. Oh, look it, there's one. Hey, check it out. Oh my God. We're so at one with nature, you guys. Oh my God. Okay, I'm stealing this bird. He's gonna live in my house with me. Oh, hi. Oh, they are not pleased with me. Yeah, they're like, listen, lady. Like, either fill the feeders or scram. All right. Well, I'm going to pause this. I'm going to fill up this feeder, and then we'll move on and clean up the other one. Okay, here's my plan now. I'm going to try to woo a chickadee into sitting in my hand and eating seeds. I'm going to make them love me. Okay. Here's what you got to do. Oh, geez. You put your hands out, just like this. And if I look calm and enticing enough, they will come to me. I might have to splice some of this out. I don't know if they will. Because, like, why would they? When there's a perfectly good feeder over there and they don't have to go into some weird lady's hand to get food. Who knows? Maybe they want to be my friend. Yoo-hoo! Chickadees. See those little guys? Why don't you come take it from my hand? Oh my God. Ooh, I have an idea. Oh wait, oh my God. Oh my God, you guys, I can't even believe this is gonna happen to me. Okay, I'm gonna freak out. They just don't want to. They don't trust me.
2 hours later.
You know what? This is stupid. Like, why am I doing this to them? They just want food, and here I am trying to train them to get used to people, and it's a terrible idea. My God. I'm just hooked on it. He's so cute, I can't deal with it. Okay, no, you know what? This is a bad idea. Oh, but wait, what if this one wants to come on my hand? No, you know what? This is abusive. I'm going to let them live their life. and I will feed them and love them from afar.